Hey guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. I am here today to talk to you about an app that I have been loving to make super cool videos for my Instagram story. And every time I post these stories using this app, everyone always asks me like, how did you use to make that? What app is that? So I'm here today to talk to you guys about the app and what I use. And some of these stories are the following. Let's go into my stories. We have this one that I love. It's just a new post. And then I also did it for Iceland, new Iceland post. You can change the text. Also this one on Iceland. Super cool. This trip, this is all within one road of within like 30 minutes of each other. They always say if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes. Another one is this.
But a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind.
Those are just some examples of some stories I've used with this app, and I love it because it stands out. So the app is called Mojo. It is free. However, a lot of the things that I use are with the premium version, and I think it's totally worth it. I paid the most I've ever paid for an app, which is $30 for the year, but I think it is totally worth it. I played this app for about like 10-15 minutes and I was like, I love it, I need the pro version. So I bought it, and you have all kinds of different templates. So this is pro. There's lots of different like pre-made templates, and it's super easy and user-friendly. Alright, so when you first enter the app, it shows all of the new templates that is available, and it'll tell you if it's pro or free. Most of the cool ones are pro, so that's why I suggest getting the premium or the pro version. And then it goes into minimal, photography, fashion, or there we go, fashion, lots of different cool ideas. And then we have cinema. I love this new post one. But then when you start to see it, then you know people are like using this app, they get, I think it's old, but it's super cool when it first came out. But you can also change that text. Shop if you're a business, super cool. Lots of different options to use here. And then you have storytelling. Then you have the food tab. Obviously it can be used for whatever you want. This is just how it's organized. Pop. Digital is a bunch of the tech stuff, so phones, iPads, text messages, super cool. The mirror, I've used this a couple times and I love it. And then we have sports, news, marketing, and classic. You guys, seriously, endless options. And then when you go into one, let's just say that's super cool. You got in text, and here's the different text styles: title, caption, dynamic, swipe up, logo. You can enter your own logo, shop, social, enter your Instagram or Facebook handles, special ones, and then double text. Super cool. There's so many different animations and stuff you can do down here. You just need to play with it, and then you can see exactly what all you can do. Seriously, guys, the options are endless. So download it, play around with it. Even just the free version, it's super fun and cool way to get creative. Okay, so let me just create one with you guys. All right, so we're gonna go into this minimal one. Go into this photo right here of Iceland. I'll just say no Monday blues here. Change my font or my color. No Monday blues here. And then I want to add a location of where it's at. So I'm going to go into, let's see, special, and I'm going to choose this airplane one. I'm going to add the location mark and say Blue Lagoon, Iceland. I'm going to change it to be that same color as the other text. And then there we go. Let me change this one. Put this in the middle. Okay, so we have this, Blue Lagoon, Iceland, no Monday blues here. And that's simple. And then you just click save. And you have to save it twice. It's really weird. So you think it's saved right there, but then go to save again, save video, and then done. And then you can upload that to your story. And just make sure stories pop out from everyone else's. Yeah, it's only live for 24 hours, but you can put in your highlight, and then everyone can see it forever. And yeah, I just love this app. There's endless possibilities, and I'm continuously learning what I can do every time I use this. So there you go. And that's it. I hope you guys find this app useful and helpful. I love it because I love making Instagram stories. I feel like it's my little time to be creative. And so yeah, if you guys want to know more Instagram story tips or tricks, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.